kwa basronko eba too much GH. Musumfo na ama owusu a eni na dane meji medwa say ya na ensem a esi ewe ye man Ghana mu no enu na mede betu dwa edi ama mmeche trending issues. Ebusuafo enduada abrante bi ema no mi so ewo Ghana ha beche say wono so eye bema pa wono so Ghana ni a wono so ebetimi edi na adwentre abetu dwa etia nkofo de a womo ye de dada eno na abrante ya meka no asem eye Ibrahim Dauda a ebiem so yesa afre no Ibra 1 na ebusafo entrena wodi ma honorable eni nedwumedi a wo di adese asofo do ni omonsem abeto eye apawaso e woni fidie kese so ekirekire mu eyi wo moto kire wo mo di bone wo mo fama wo mo so mo ye mani lordin eku nkofo eye tese nyankomade e wo ma sori ni nua no eye na hi pa o kire se de honorable ye na eye na hi ye na bufo because honorable na mu no ne ho bon de dada sa anyama na wo accuse nkofo a wo mo tese nkofo de na mo ye na wo accuse wo mo no wo no amu no wo ye nti eba ne sen na ade a wo ye bi no obi so ye bi wechira na eye wo wahi na obeyi wo motonti ono so ebe ba abonten abecheche honorable ensemu na anse na ono be abechire honorable ensemu no wo de entrene ede ma honorable sese wankana no antumu dia enu ono so bechere ne se wono so ye be ma wono so ye pay evidence wo Ghana ha ye pay investigative journalist wo Ghana ha ono so eka ho bi wo betimi aye investigations acheche ensemu ede ama Ghana for ATB na ebuta for Ghana for ankasa wo mani bo Ibra 1 eye ensem a wo keka ene ntene ode koma eye ho no abram ka se abrante impelifo le ka asem bi asem mpenipa nipa na pe no asem wono amu no pe no asem o woti wo baby din wo bia nkan we woti baby wo asumdwe obi anya we obi amodi eno ho mpe wo go ka honorable ayenim so honorable e di ni din dan fi fre different akompre kwa ope akom adese otimi woto no ho kire ne ho na wo go ka na asem a ono mfere obi amfere asem tese obi asem nya na asem no wo go ka odo be ye tese eye Manchester crowd ye ne sim kranti kan na ehun hian po se Ibra 1 ebe ma no hu so abeka eye honorable ensem na ebusa for Ghana for ka wo mo kan ampa so honorable aso ensem mu e wo soro na honorable so ensem no wono so atra branch ne so wono so ye be ma mu pa no obi anne no ade wo chiri kran po se wono wotini baby o ka obi asem o ye na ade no obi da no betum obi a won friend ye obi a woni masem no bi no wa ba na no abetum wono onfa no akono ehun enche no eno nti honorable eso ensem no wa chire pa se Ibrahim Dauda ebem se fa Ibra 1 ope wansem na wodun ho abasa so muje na honorable kai wa utumi se de ekuka koi de wa free police for kra e de ama Ibra 1 kra with dada because wa chire mu se wa starting here investigations one so what the start light to no so ensema koba efa no hunia no honorable wa chire se wonim de dada nti eye Ibra 1 no wanted na honye steady one champion na police for eba no so ne kasa waje egu fi ho ne kwa ofa so edinya ne sika bebi e woni nam bia no honorable chire se ni ewom chese wo hu bibia fili enu nti enche was small police for ama wo mo aba na fa ne busa for yenko tie na honorable ede ensem no etudwa.
If you live in a glass house, don't throw stones.
No, refer me.
Me na me refer.
Oh, sure.
Because yes, also what dare me 24 hours.
Sir.
Oh, a criminal like you who dare me. Oh, criminal like you. Oh, cause how you see now, oh, jiwa, won't your duty. You see what I'll do to you. And then I me dare. One so me say, what in that so man? I give you 2 days. We arrest all your cars. Well, a criminal like
you.
You're
so corner how you no.
Yeah, who criminal like you who be damn. You got nerves, boy. You got nerves. Me say me no, me catch you, me say me da. Me soon I is coming to come. So you can't intimidate me. Most of this 60 years, me yeah. When you get people like this, Monsieur, what this 60 years in it? What you want to brag is a woman me 24 hours. Who talk a untia duty. Whoa. Stay tuned. You see what will happen to you. Media, wow. Who person what attack media, make sure so we clean. And then my track will fear. And also, who can't see me, you will be. I'll make sure they arrest your cars. And then, who pa for can come baby also go to your duty. You see what will happen.
Can sa and honorable so I can was say will be a what a glass house here there to abobo edekobobi wa mu money that baby I would see that a day do ano ekoti will be as a monk or cassim so not one for Robiaso dem do ano ekoto sa same way a table for the say that kakwe there second for your him say a police for Marcos Ibrawan I got to the new and say Efane castle no duties are which are papers that won't say and power duties. So one try yes and as we try the baby piano Ghana yebehu na yehu so a tumaji 8 so the betu dwa e ma hwefo na etie for mo so metimi atibi e wo baby a mo wo no na ebusuafo ensi ho say honorable kasa nya no na Ibrahim Dauda Ibrawan what wa wo hwe bi a wo taking note a wo hwe the honorable Kenya na wo ka okay na Ibrahim no so atena so pa wo tie pa na wo tie so no wa ba bonte abechana twe afa the honorable aka no so wo kire say so wa de honorable na honorable so ehun say den na wada na han no so be ya no so ama or no so de ne den na ababa ka akire say obema police for abechi no e woni fear no so I ready pa na ebusa for one so e de ne comment no aba e wa ase no posti wo ne Instagram page wonom ye go e story a Ibrahim Dauda Ibrawan what they abetu ejab Ibrawan tire won a comment mu say Kennedy I want you if after 2 days you don't come out after me to apologize. If you don't come after me or you don't come out to apologize, else I'm giving you and all your people just 2 days. Else you will all start dying heartlessly. I am done with you. Or no dear what they ever to John to me say. One so the world for pa honorable to work as say obema police for becheno. Ne cast in ya e be chef ni say no so chira honorable say. So e bema one super police for them na say 2 days na odema honorable no say police for na amma ho. Na honorable 2 days ni chem na otiase ono Ibrawan na da so to ase a. E no honorable onka hu ni say ode ne nkwa e betwa so. Wone eye ne nkofo wo muta ne chi ni mpanimfo wo muta ne chi man support man moral so won koso adwuma wodi no wo mu nia wo mu do mu kwa ebetwa so nto no so eti won wo dey steady pa no no wa beka de yenka Ibrawan ne tete no so ye be ma pa na ebusafo ye ha ho na bu kere Japan Central se na ne suban esitie se na ne bobre esitie eni Ibrawan no so asori eti out so ne no eko na ebusafo ye do mu mienu esi eye boxing ring mu a hwan pa ene bedu nkunu mu an be pie se be ma omumienu emuwei na mo nche me e wo ye comment section honom na ansa na yebedu honom ma me think some of the comments are abetodwa efa eye Ibrawan so de ono so e de ba ye we efi uche okobi how do we settle this matter without Ibra going to jail? Will be say honorable asem we ye be de atna se aka a Ibrawan no won koda eye jail nti honorable na wo pay mo aye front we de honorable tell onangasa de mo aye e ba betodwa e di amount Wesu efi Onel ne dia wode abose Ibra has gone to give wahala problem honorable tuwe wonpen kwasasem you have brought yourself wache na dwen ohun say Ibrawan we de ono ana akoka enti wakoka dia ene won so mu eba won so mu no wonye ne sa young promise so e dia wode abose he can't do anything who is Kennedy. Oh, let us think. Foolish man. Hey, ebusuafo yo peni o. Me de besi ho. Progress mame edia wode abose. Honorable Kennedy Ejapon waiting he do when whites carry him forefathers for Cape Coast, use them for slavery to the Red Indians. What he do then? Hey, asem we tuye bisa. We de pijimu and watch say honorable. Di empa no betima ye. Ebra eye efita form bag ye maimu Cape Coast. Ebe fa onu angasa ne nanano mo. Ede ko wo mo maimu kwa ye eye nkwa wo hono no. Di no timi ye fa ho. Ene no ba pe bibi. On forget it kra. Valdez Alex eso dia wode about say stop barking like a dog. Honorable Kennedy, who is more wicked and criminal like you? Today you have national security on your side. You sit on TV thinking you are somebody. Onusumu say the echoes to the honorable the obi eni say honorable the kakasa okasa bom sekrama wenya dompe bi a worry. Sa na honorable subanite. They say dey onim say wenya no ho say national security. Any ebiemu so no nkofo etuturo ga na ha won kamera e wona fan no ti wonya akukudro e de betena the street show so kasa na ga na ha wan enim say honorable we wonam ho criminal so obi wan enim say honorable wonam ho very wicked. It was for me the comment ne besi ho me ko Quran so dia wode e de abawa ha say fraud is a game. Nothing Kennedy go fit do. Ono so ne say honorable entimi nya hwe. Fraud no a game keke wo bia etimi eyebi. Ye Celestine so edia wode aba e wa so say where the thing is going, I'm afraid for Ibra1. Nobody dares Kennedy and go scot-free. Remember Obinim, when he started, he was talking loudly. Lately, he just shut up because where it was going, he couldn't handle it anymore. Ibra1, if you know you have secrets, then please stop there. Also, Achenajin, who say, Sa and a chassis, Bishop Daniel Obinim, or Jejin Anom, and I will not be warning one, or wait me in a day, and I say, no, it was some who not in its channel, so TV, no, a pigeon, no, as a comfort, and check. And some Bruno so at say Okana no tum kra wenti banga hwe ai na dey some go do baby crampa police for ebe ma ye se ebe che do crampo no eye ya we ede ma no na afempo no nya kukudo anu crampo no wo ma bote emeka se tia ho na bobiem te be ya Ibra1 won kana no tum so nim se owo atro bia ye a onim se ho na bo we owo we investigations pa obetime hu a and won kana no tum no ntwa so wo ho ma because honorable hu nko ade a wo de beba appointee ama bo bia ehun we so efi patience dey dia wo de about Ghana is getting sweeter and sweeter. I've even forgotten there's even coronavirus in this nation because what is happening is taking over the fame of coronavirus. One also add there what they abanosi the ergos were Ghana ha the yenika pa de bia da pressure suspense nyama kosro e were Ghana say amani refi kra say ya rabbit say coronavirus ka won tem aye no so dangerous pa e man refi coronavirus there dangerous ntibon ho ban next day say be bia wo bia mama mfa Kennedy there or the aba e wa say my namesake, he not dey sleep oh. He never sleep. He told you. He said every time he sleeps and dreams, it is only war and money. War and money too are two serious demons. So please, Ibra1, check yourself. Also, actually, na just say hey, honorable way or not. Wona oda krampa da ye ba ni so sika ene ntokwa onu emu nenum onu anobo nenum to ekasa asem no enu nti si wakasa asem we na Ibra1 also brantia udita nkwala a wo hwe wo ma ewo ufie a wo dwe ho wodi won abebo chese nkofo mo awonya kudomo bibi o mugina so ebe kasa etia ho nabo obehu ana wo nsem ababo nti na afa de wo ni da so krampo se ye wo de krampo ne enye se fi nsem enti ebe ya bebebi te na ye din no ho nabo ye nkano we so edie efi Isaac was who is honorable at all? Is he the owner of Ghana? Please let us think. Anybody at all can override honorable on edie or the about to say or reply former comments na me kind say honorable no who say honorable no be Ghana nya dia want me and share Ghana for so aye be na e say ye can obi abetimi aka nyo honorable kwa na enipa e wo man Ghana emu ebusa from the way I ensem no any ekeka koyi baby edui Ibra1 a police for enter koso ni mu a wasa so ede ne comments and an evidence the proofs of offer honorable betimi ede abetu dwa anase honorable so police for also osuma edema Ibra1 no hwa na ambaso because Ibra1 no so ewo ni nyina so ntia wo de ekeka de work anom de be kopia no me na ka cho de dada subscribe be so subscribe bia because ye be reporting every detail ewo too much HF de kese so na won so obetimi enya information no ebi na ebiem so no share video we efa ma obi bia na fa wo comment efa ensem we eto dwa ewo too much HF comment section ma on refi say ade obetimi follow too much HF ewo Instagram at @2magh_. Me din Edenana ama owusa me de besi ha ene na se na ye besan ehyem biem makramo.